What's the secret to eliminating 80% of your cybersecurity risks? Say hello to Impressive Solutions' phishing-resistant MFA. Phishing attacks trick users into giving up their login credentials. Standard defenses like basic MFA help, but attackers are getting smarter. Impressive Solutions takes a deterministic approach to cybersecurity. No more shared secrets like passwords or OTPs, just strong public-private key cryptography. We use secure enclaves to protect private keys, ensuring authentications are device-bound and phishing-resistant. Our platform authenticator verifies access requests, eliminating phishing-based impersonation attacks. With no passwords, credential stuffing becomes a thing of the past. Users can log in with a touch or glance on any device. And forget push bombing attacks. We don't rely on push notifications. Instead, we perform device security checks, ensuring compliance and blocking unauthorized access. Ready to ditch outdated security measures? Experience Impressive Solutions' phishing-resistant MFA today and secure your business against credential theft.